Traveling isn't always pretty and comfortable. Sometimes it hurts. Sometimes it even breaks your heart. You think, why this pain? Why not being comfortable in our sofa, sipping a cup of tea? But that's okay. The journey changes you. It should change you. It leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, and on your body. You take something with you, and hopefully you leave something good behind. So, 2 friends, a bike, and an everlasting journey of over 500 kilometers took us to the temple town of Gokarna, where we were welcomed by the natural beauty and the cultural richness. And the memories that we collected there shall stay embedded in our hearts forever.